Hey there, and welcome to the next tutorial for the Sports Bench plugin. Today we're going to be talking about how you can create divisions and conferences and whatnot so that you can organize your teams better and easier. So to do that, we're going to come over here to Teams, Divisions, and we're simply going to come in here and add in our conference or division name. Just go Central, and it's going to be a conference. And we can also select its color, and then we just hit save. And now it appears here. If we want to create a division underneath the conference, say, let's do that, and then select the conference that's underneath. And there we go for the most part. And then you can come in, when you add a new team, you'll be able to come in here and select the division. And that's all there really is to it. If you want more information over divisions or you want to submit a bug report, feature request, be sure to check out the Sports Bench website at sportsbenchwp.com.